Welcome to Neo Engineering Limited, your trusted partner in superior HVAC solutions. From commercial systems to energy-efficient climate control, we deliver comfort, reliability, and performance you can depend on. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system is the backbone of indoor comfort and air quality in homes, offices, hospitals, malls, and industrial spaces. At Neo Engineering, we offer a full range of air conditioning equipment tailored to your space, from high-performance split systems to advanced chillers and air curtains. We also ensure perfect and spotless installation from our engineering team. Our mechanical ventilation systems improve airflow and remove stale or polluted air for healthier environments. Solutions include exhaust fans, air handling units, ducts, and diffusers, all designed to optimize air movement. Your needs are unique, and so are our HVAC solutions. Whether it's residential comfort, commercial efficiency, or industrial cooling, Neo Engineering delivers tailored systems backed by expert design and installation that gives the best performance.